Okay, so what we're going to do today is show how to prove the angle bisector theorem through Geometer Sketchpad. Now, we can see, thanks to Wikipedia, that this right here is the angle bisector theorem. I'm going to assume you can read that and know what it means. Right here is what you're looking at. So, first, you want to open a new sketch in Geometer Sketchpad. And you're going to have a triangle to prove this, obviously. So, select the point tool up here and just click 3 points. These will be your vertices for your triangle. Okay? So, now you want to draw the triangle. So you want to make sure all 3 of these points are selected. And then construct, and go to segments. And there you have it. You have a triangle. So next thing you want to do is you want to create a line that runs perpendicular to this segment and through this point. So you make sure both of these are selected, and then go up to construct and perpendicular line. And you have that. So to construct a segment out of this, you'll want to click right here on this vertex, and that'll create a point. And then you want to make sure this is selected, and then select this. And then you want to construct a segment, so you go to construct, make sure your big line is deselected, go to construct, click segment, and then you can right click on your big line and hide it. Okay, so you have that. Now you want to measure the distances between these points. You know you have this and this, and then you go up to measure and then distance. So you have the distance between these two. Next, what you want to do is select these 2 points, and the order is important, and go to measure and distance. You got that. Now I'll measure these 2 points, measure distance, and lastly these 2 points, measure distance. Okay, now we can easily enough figure out all these just by measuring, but what if we were just doing it as a math problem and we had 3 of the lengths but we didn't have the other one? So what we can do with that is we can take your angle bisector theorem here and solve it for one of these. Now let's say that we are given the lengths of DC, AB, and AC, and are given the angles for DAB and DAC. You get this equation right here. Now go back to our sketch, and you can see that we don't have this angle or this angle measured yet, so there's a way we can do that. Click in this order B, A, and D. Then go to measure and click angle. It'll give you the angle. Now do the same thing except with D, A, and C in that order. And then measure, then angle. Okay, we have those 2 angles. Now, let's go back to this formula really quick. We solve this for BD. We don't know BD. Just imagine we don't have it up there. So, we want to calculate a formula. Calculate that formula. Take what we do know. And let's just bring BD down here. So, we do know AB, AC, CD, BAD, and DAC. So we want to take AB. First of all, actually, first we should go to measure and then calculate. You'll want to take AB times the sine, and that's in functions, times the sine of EAD. And then we want to divide that by AC times the sine, and go back to functions, of BAC. And we might want to put parentheses on here just so it reads it properly. Okay, and now the last thing we needed is we need to multiply all of this times CD. So like times and then CD. And that gives us this number right here. So we click OK, and it gives us that calculation where you can see that that calculation that we had for BD, it actually equals the figure for BD. And you can do this with any combination of angles, any combination of lengths of segments. So there you have it. You just proved the angle bisector theorem with Geometer Sketchpad. Have fun. Bye.